Hey everybody, what's going on? It's game time, and I've got a little fire for you. Doesn't everybody want to see a little fire in the middle of summer? It's pretty, but yeah, it's hot as balls here in the south. But I'm house sitting for my sister while she's gone to the beach and decided I'd do a little break here. I mean, why not? Basically, the lighting's not so great, so hopefully I'm in their, I guess, woman cave. The lighting's not so great, but I really wanted to open these on video. So basically what's happened is I'm kind of going all in on trying to get some really good hollow Prizm rookies. So this is a retail box, 24 packs, 4 cards per pack, and this is the, I don't know if you want to call it jumbo, but it's the one that has the 4 packs and then the extra pack, which is the red, white, and blue Prizm. So yeah, really taking a chance here. I've watched a lot of this stuff being broken, and it's yeah, you don't get that many rookies in this, and to get a good Prizm rookie is not easy. So I guess I'll start with that first. Alright, I don't ever say this, but wish me luck. I've been thinking about doing this for a while, and I'm still considering investing in, and it would be an investment, in a blaster case of this. Blowout has those, and I don't know, maybe. Let's see how this goes. Maybe this will be so good that I don't feel the need for that. I don't know. We'll see. Alright. Actually, let me dig down here for luck and start somewhere else. Let's see what we get. Woo, I'm nervous. Alright. Well, the light's not too bad. Corey Joseph. A John Collins autograph in the first pack. Sticker auto. I'd forgotten there was an autograph in here. It's not really what you're going for, but it's nice. A Wesley Matthews Fundamentals and Tyson Chandler. It's funny, I dug down and picked the one with the auto. Malcolm Delaney, Lou Williams, a Fundamentals, Antetokounmpo, and Dragon Bender. Alright, nothing so far. That's 2 down. I see a De'Aaron Fox back there. I wonder if it's a Prizm, though. Paul Millsap. There, got a rookie, Ntilikina. Markkanen. Silver, yes. Yes. And De'Aaron Fox. What a pack. Beautiful. Very nice. Very nice. Alright, what else we got going on here? Anthony Davis. Oh, looks like we've got a red. Dwight Howard. Marco Bellinelli. Bellinelli. Sorry, I couldn't read it. And Andrew Wiggins. Oh, that's a shame. Let's see if this red's numbered. Nope, it is not. John Lure? Ooh, Lonzo. Hey, Lonzo. That's a good one. Ricky Rubio green. And Anobi. Rookie. Not too bad. Got Lonzo. Got that Markkanen. What else can we get out of here? A Tony Bradley, apparently. Rookie card. Paul George. An Evan Turner red. And Dion Waiters. Ish Smith. A green Fundamentals, James Harden. Alonzo Ball! Sorry, didn't mean to scream in your ear. Oh my gosh! Lonzo Ball! Oh my gosh. That is Awesome. Alonzo and a Markkanen. That's what I'm talking about. Isaiah Thomas. Hey, there's Isaiah Thomas too. Wow. Sorry, I didn't mean to scream in your ear. Yeah, that's great. I was hoping for that, but wasn't really expecting that. So, very nice. D'Angelo Russell, Tyreek Evans, a emergent TJ Leaf, and a Yogi Ferrell. Well, that pretty much made the box. So I'm good with that. Stanley Johnson, Doug McDermott, a Lou Williams silver, and Hassan Whiteside. Got Otto Porter, Bogdanovich, a Harrison Barnes fundamentals, and Marcus Smart. Jason Kidd. Oh, it's funny to see him like that. Jeff Hornacek. Caleb Swanigan green rookie. Nice to get a rookie green. And Earl Watson. Trey Lyles. Chris Paul. Fundamental Dennis Schroeder. And Ben Simmons. Drew Holiday. Hernan Gomez. Anila Kenya, another rookie silver. Not bad. Wow. Tyler Ulis. Man, this has to bring me luck. I'm going to have to come down here and open all my boxes. Markieff Morris. Another Markkanen. A Mike Conley fundamentals and Wesley Matthews. I'm also pet sitting, so if you hear dog barking, that's a big German Shepherd. Trevor Booker. A rookie Wayne Selden Jr. A Wayne Selden Jr. silver. So many silver rookies. That is awesome. Dragic. Still got several bags too. Wow. What a lucky box. Awesome. Tobias Harris. Malik Monk rookie. A Justin Patton emergent. And Vince Carter. Luke Walton, Vucevic, pink, and Atarian Prince, green. This pink is numbered to 42. And Karl Anthony Towns. Evan Turner. Michael Kidd-Gilchrist. A Jason Kidd red and Justin Jackson rookie. Let's see what we got left here. 3 on that side and 3 more on that side. Move that so you can see that fire. Ooh, yeah. Just like Christmas, except for it's like 1,000 degrees here. Bradley Beal, Carmelo Anthony, Moutier green, and Dwight Powell. Let's see if we can get any other good rookies to make an appearance. Doesn't even have to be silver, just anybody. Batum, Adebayo, emergent, and Steve Kerr. Steve Kerr. Ed Davis, Kawhi Leonard, a Kemba Walker, get hyped, and Robert Covington. 3 more packs. Let's see a rookie there. Marco Bell. What was this? Bellinelli. Murray. Nowitzki get hyped. And a Adebayo rookie. Oubre Jr. Mirotic, Steven Adams fundamentals, and I don't know, Nogueira, I guess. Last pack. Kevin Love, Chandler Parsons, a Dwight Howard silver, Prizm-ish. That's Curry. So wow, these are all inserts and parallels. Oh shit, I about dropped them, of course, because that's what I do. The John Collins autograph, and then I hate to even touch it because I'm so accident prone, but this Lonzo Ball is a thing of beauty, as well as this Markkanen. We got Deer and Fox. There was no Ntilikina. There was no Dennis Smith Jr., no Donovan Mitchell, no Jason Tatum, not even base. So that's a little disappointing, but considering what I got, I mean, you can't be too disappointed. And then I still got this baby to go. So thanks for watching, everybody. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I've got more boxes to come. And yeah, thanks for watching, everybody. Take care. Bye.